Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I was falling down almost. The weather is very nice, even though it's snowy. I love it. Green and really white at the same time. It looks very good. I just want to tell you that I have found a solution. Please check the video, and if it helps you, please subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate your support. Bye! The video help you? I hope it did, and if it did really, please consider subscribing my channel. I would appreciate your support in this lovely weather. See you later again. Bye.